Comfort yung hurting brain ko, Tori. Why? Why is your brain hurting? Lumano ako sa laro niya. Naubusan ako ng English. Okay lang yan. Puro tayo Tagalog naman dito. Don't you worry. Pantay ba? Laro! Ayun, laro. Thank you. Yes, we speak Tagalog. Tagal niya ate, ano? Ate cut ba ito? Your setup is better, big screen for both your games and you ahead. No feedback nor echo. I tried to fix it. Now I fixed it. Thank you, Apogee, for the chicken, PJ for the rosa, and Ferdic for the... Unfortunately, for now, no, ano muna. Wala mo na akong kasama mag-game. I'll play with my friends first. Thank you, John, for the rose of crystal rose. Thank you. Next time, when I figure out this whole setup first, we'll go game. Probably next week or next week. Okay? First hero na na-master mo sa ML. Next week or next week. Next week. Kasi right now, it's still nothing's final yet. First hero na na-master mo sa ML. I feel like it's... No! Let's ask ate ano. Kasama ba siya? Wait lang. Rooting for your Zushin. Romantic pala itong mga kasama ko. We'll play next time as soon as I fix my setup, okay? Don't worry. I know, I understand. We'll play next time as soon as I fix my setup. Aw, thank you. We'll play next week or next week. Not today. Not today. Wait lang. Dapat daw, rank, dapat 5 daw. Wait. cannot play? It's okay, guys. It's okay. Let's be patient. Let's be patient, guys. Next 2 months? Why not? What happened? What happened? Why cannot play next week? Next week is not next month. It's okay. No, not 3 months. Next week. Why only today? What happened? Next week, not next month. Oh, when you start training.